हेलो गाइस, आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 8 हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 10 द मेकिंग ऑफ द नेशनल मूवमेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाई वेर पीपल डिससेटिस्फाइड विद ब्रिटिश रूल इन द 1870s and 1880s? Answer: the people were dissatisfied with British rule because of the following reasons. A. British were exercising control over resources of India. B. British were exercising control over the lives of its people, and until this control ended, India could not be for Indians. C. The Arms Act was passed in 1878, disallowing Indians from possessing arms. D. Vernacular Press Act was also enacted in 1879 in an effort of silence those who were critical of the government. E. In the 1883, there was a furor over the attempt by the government of introduce the Albert Bill. The bill provided for the trial of British or European persons by Indians and sought equality between British and Indian judges in the country. Question number 2. Who did the Indian National Congress wish to speak for? Answer: the Congress was composed of the representatives not of any one class or community of India, but all of the different communities of India. Hence, the party wished to speak for the masses in the fight for freedom. Question number 3. What economic impact did the First World War have on India? Answer: the First World War altered the economic and political situation in India. It led to a huge rise in the defense expenditure of the government of India. The government in turn increased taxes on individual incomes and business profits, increased military expenditure, and the demands for war supplies led to a sharp rise in prices, which created great difficulties for the common people. On the other hand, businesses groups repelled fabulous profits from the war. The First World War caused a decline in imports from other countries into India. Question number 4. What did the Muslim League resolution of 1940 ask for? Answer: in 1940, the Muslim League had moved a resolution demanding independent states for Muslims in the northwestern and eastern areas of the country. The resolution did not mention partition or Pakistan. Question number 5. Who were the moderates? How did their purpose to struggle against British rule? The moderate leaders wanted to develop public awareness about the unjust nature of British rule. They published newspapers, wrote articles, and showed how British rule was leading to the economic ruin of the country. The citizens British rule in their speeches and sent representatives to the different parts of the country to mobilize public support. They felt that the British had respect for the ideal of freedom and justice, and so would accept the just demands of Indians. What was necessary, therefore, was to express these demands and make government aware of the feelings of Indians. Question number 6. How was the politics of the radicals within the Congress different from that of the moderates? In the fight for Swaraj, the radicals advocated mass mobilization and boycott of British institutions and goods. Some individuals also began to suggest that revolutionary violence would be necessary to overthrow British rule. Moderates, on the other hand, wanted to follow the rules, the laws, and the other posed by the British. They followed the practice of prayers, which the radicals totally opposed. Question number 7. Discuss the various forms that the non-cooperation movement took in different parts of India. How did people understand Gandhiji? Answer. Different places in the country showed different reactions given below. At Kheda in Gujarat, Patidar peasants organized non-violent campaigns against the high land revenue demand of the British. In coastal Andhra and interior Tamil Nadu, liquor shops were picketed. In Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh, tribals and poor peasants staged a number of forest satyagraha, sometimes sending their cattle into forest without paying grazing free. In Sindh, now in Pakistan, Muslim traders and peasants were very enthusiastic about the Khilafat call. The Bengal to the Khilafat non-cooperation alliance gave a numerous community unit. In Punjab, the Akali agitation of the Sikhs sought to remove corrupt Mahats supported by the British from their gurudwaras. People thought of Gandhiji as a kind messiah and someone who could help them overcome their misery and poverty. Gandhiji wished to build class unity and not class conflict. Yet peasants could imagine that he would help them in their fight against zamindars and agricultural laborers. Believed he would provide them with the land. At times, ordinary people credited Gandhiji with their own achievement. Why did Gandhiji choose to break the Salt Law? The Salt March related the general desire of freedom to a specific grievance shared by everybody, and thus did not divide the rich and the poor. Hence, in 1930, Gandhiji declared that he would lead a march to break the Salt Law. Question number 9. Discuss those developments of the 1937-47 period and that led to the creation of Pakistan. Answer. The developments of 1937-1947 which led to creation of Pakistan are given below. A two-nation theory. Initially, the Muslim League never mentioned Pakistan to be the nation of Muslims. However, since 1930s, it started demanding a separate country for Muslims. Province elections of 1937. The elections were a decisive factors for Muslim League to decide that Muslims are a minority in India and they have to a separate nation for them for their just representation in the politics. Rift between Congress and Muslim League when Congress rejected the Muslim League's offer for a joint Congress League government in United Provinces. D. Failed talks. No discussion could turn out to be successful where both Congress and Muslim League could come to a conclusion for a single nation. British too at the Second World War opened negotiation talks with both Congress and the League. However, it turned futile. Provincial elections of 1946 46, Muslim League's spectacular victory on the seats reserved for Muslims gave them confidence to create a separate nation. Thank you, guys.